we're going to do triceps. So we're going to start with kickbacks. So I'm going to set it on 2. And I had this on the highest elevation. I'm going to use 2 as the bands here. So 1 and 2. And now we're going to do kickbacks. Okay, so you're doing like basically elbow kickbacks like this. And you can do it with the handlebar this way out, or you can reverse it and do almost like a hammer grip, like you're doing a curl, but you can have it straight like this. Okay? I'll show you. You can do this. So it's basically just like elbow kickback and you're using elbow. Same principle. And now you're going to switch you're going to turn your wrist inward, palm down. Alright? So that's that. We're going to switch arms. Same thing. Here. I'll switch my wrists. Okay, we'll go from there. I'm going to leave this at the highest elevation. Okay, we're going to remove the bands, those are resistance bands. Okay, and you could buy these V-bars at sporting goods shops. I like to use these as kind of an accessory. Okay. So now we're going to do press downs, which you could do this on a machine. If you've ever seen regular machines in the gym, you do press downs. Okay, that's that way. If you don't want to use the V-bar, you can just do the dumbbell bar, which I think the V-bar is the easiest one to use, but you can do the same thing with this, putting the bar, see how you put it in between it, like so. So you put the bar in between it, and now you can do it with this, same thing. This is much harder, difficult to do, of course. Alright. And then we have that. You could just use the regular machine. I'm going to lower this by 1 notch. Okay, now I'm just going to use the machine with the pulleys and the grips and the cables to do the same thing of a press down. Okay, so that's with the palm facing this way, and now I'm going to lower by 1 notch. And I'm going to switch my grip on it. Instead of the grip being this way, I'm going to switch the grip to this way. So it's almost like a reverse hammer curls, but you're doing using a tricep pull down, press down, tricep press down. So here, you're going to reverse your grip. So instead of this way, you're going to be this way. Okay? From there, you can get a rope at a hardware store, or you can buy these at sporting goods shops. but I just bought mine at a hardware store. Okay, I'm going to lower it down by 1 notch. I'm going to put the rope, and we're going to do rope press downs. So these are rope press downs. I like to twist my wrist out. See how I do it? I pull it out. So instead of just going down, I twist my wrist out like this. Okay? Okay? Now I'm going to do the same thing with dumbbell kickbacks, but I'm going to do them lying down. It's the same principle as when I was standing up doing it, but without using resistance bands. So it's this. Now, and lie on my back, but instead of doing this, I'm going to reverse it, almost like a reverse curl, with using my wrist inward. So like this. So it's almost like doing a curl, but in reversed order. So you're using your wrist instead of this, using this, which is much, much harder, of course. Like that. For the last exercise, I had to find the rope. So, you take the rope here, and so what you're going to do is set it up in the machine, and like I just showed you, you could use the dumbbell doing overhead extensions like this. You're doing the same thing with the rope. And I think the rope, this rope works much better for isolation than using a V-bar, but you could use a V-bar the same way. But I think the rope makes it harder, but it gives you better stretch. So here we go. And that's really tight, so we're going to lower that by 1 notch. There you go. Okay, here we go. There you go. Alright, that's everything. Hi, we're going to do triceps. So we're going to start with kickbacks. So I'm going to set it on 2. And I had this on the highest elevation. I'm going to use 2 as the bands here. So 1 and 2. And now we're going to do kickbacks. Okay, so you're doing like basically elbow kickbacks like this. And you can do it with the handlebar this way out, or you can reverse it and do almost like a hammer grip, like you're doing a curl, or you can have it straight like this. Okay? So I'll show you. You can do this. So it's basically just like elbow kickback and you're using them. Same principle. And now you're going to switch you're going to turn your wrist inward.